Welcome, my fellow tax professionals. This course relates to the IRS collection process with an emphasis on protecting your clients from levies and garnishments. I'm attorney Robert Schaller. I'm also the author of the course. The IRS basically has 4 methods to try to collect unpaid back taxes, and this course relates to all 4 of those. They include, for example, the first one would be the IRS's ability to seize bank accounts. The second one would be the IRS's ability to seize a taxpayer's home and other real estate. The third source of the IRS's ability to collect is to garnish wages. And the fourth method to collect is the dreaded notice of federal tax lien. Now enjoy the course. Now let's talk about the IRS's ability to force collections from taxpayers who owe back taxes. The IRS is the most powerful creditor in the United States and has the tools to levy and seize your client's current and future assets, income, and tax refunds. Feeling threatened is typically the catalyst prompting a client to contact their tax professional. Until clients feel intimidated, many clients put their head in the sand and ignore the problem despite receiving written collection notices from the IRS, including the IRS's Notice of Intent to Levy. When clients ignore the Notice of Intent to Levy, the IRS has the ability to levy and seize your client's bank accounts. It's not uncommon to receive a frantic phone call from a client after the client has had his or her bank account frozen. Worse, the IRS has the ability to levy against a taxpayer's home and other real estate. Thankfully, a taxpayer's principal residence is initially exempt from levy. That is, until the IRS petitions a judge or magistrate of the United States District Court, and that judge approves the levy of the residence. A wage garnishment is much more common than the seizure of a taxpayer's home. Garnishment is the forced seizure of funds from a client's paycheck. Garnishment can feel catastrophic to those taxpayers living paycheck to paycheck. Finally, the IRS has the power to file the Notice of Federal Tax Lien with the government office where the taxpayer's property is located. A federal tax lien is a legal claim by the United States to the taxpayer's real and personal property, including property that the taxpayer acquires after the lien arises. Now let's talk about solutions to thwart the IRS's ability to compel collections. Offer in Compromise is the primary shield focused on at National Offer in Compromise Academy. An installment payment agreement is also explored at the Academy. An installment payment agreement is an alternative solution for those clients who have the financial wherewithal to pay the back tax liability prior to the collection statute expiration date, or what's commonly called the CSED. Innocent spouse relief is also explored at the Academy. Innocent spouse relief is an alternative solution for any client who owes joint and several back taxes attributable to a spouse's failure to report income or inappropriate deductions or tax credits. The typical case involves a self-employed businessman who fails to report business income unbeknownst to the taxpayer client. Finally, currently not collectible status may be an appropriate solution for some taxpayers who need more time to pay. If the IRS determines that the taxpayer cannot pay any of the tax debt at this time due to a financial hardship, the IRS may temporarily delay collection by reporting the account as currently not collectible until the taxpayer's financial condition improves. This solution only delays collection and does not terminate collections and terminate the back taxes like the Offer in Compromise program does. Thank you for listening to this video, and please spread the word to your fellow tax professionals. The National Offer in Compromise Academy is available to help professionals expand their practice into the profitable area of offer and compromise. The music for this video was provided by www.bensound.com. You can contact the Academy from its contact page at www.oicacademy.com. Enjoy the online course and keep on learning.